Rockay City, the city of wealth and entertainment. All that aside, we have a job to accomplish. Shall we proceed? Our goal today is to obtain items of high value from this jewelry store. As your first mission under my command, there is no room for improvisation. 3 of you take position by the main entrance. 1 of you will slip around to the back of the shop. Do not let simple obstacles deter you. The backyard is occupied. You must handle any civilians. Perform this task with ease.
Yo! Down! Stay still!
1 civilian restrained. Zip-tied hostages may attempt escape if not guarded. There is no need to show that you are armed. Do you not know how to disable a camera? Disappointing. Break it, yet remain unseen.
Camera handled.
Now to the back door of the They are aware of the disabled camera. The guards are paying attention. Tighten up.
All y'all need to hush up.
Eliminating the guard is undesirable.
It's open. What the? Everybody down! Best be sure.
Search the guard for a keycard. You can pick the lock to the control room door. However, a keycard would be faster. Disconnect all cameras.
Dealt with the cam.
Good. Perhaps another crew member could assist.
On me.
The front door. It's time to begin. Breach the main entrance to the store.
Lock's open.
These most glamorous jewelry stores. Assemble everyone inside.
Let's get it on.
This is a test of your skills. Whatever you can quickly gather is sufficient.
Stay on point.
Lead the escape. Call everyone to follow you.
Nice work. Let's keep it up. One.
Cool on 1. 2.
We are half full. They're all in.
Excellent. Now load in and move out.
All right, we got 5.
Good. This operation met all expectations. There might be an interest in hiring you. We can always use skilled operatives. If you wish to pursue this line of work, I can be found at this establishment. Good.
Good Lord in heaven. Rockay City. Wow. What they used to call it? The crown jewel of Florida. Oh, I got the crown part right. Pretty goddamn accurate. Fuck, man, I was goddamn handsome. Back when I moseyed into Rockay, fixing to take the whole town by storm. Live fast, die young, leave a good-looking corpse, right? To get what you want, you gotta figure out who you're willing to throw down against. You see, battle with the King of Rockay meant going toe-to-toe with the baddest ass-kicker on the planet.
Let's end it here today.
That would be Sheriff goddamn fucking Norris.
That's it. We end this.
Yeah.
Charge.
Sorry. The whole bank is up in smoke. And a fucking chunk of money.
Not ideal. Status.
Status is, fuck you.
Alive. Good.
Okay, I'll make you a deal, Sheriff. I'll return this money and lay down my guns right now. Well, Miss Sarah, quite a convenient fucking day you picked to stay home.
It almost sounds as if you are making an insinuation.
Bet your ass I am. So prove me wrong and get the hell over here now.
En route. Maintain your position.
Entry team ready.
You know the fucking Geminis. I'm telling you something, you can't trust them. Sniper down. There's yours! Come on! Get some! Stupid fucks! Sarah, where the hell is the chopper?
Transportation is en route. Hold your ground. We will have you out shortly.
The odds aren't really good, but
I am aware.
are you? I don't see you down here holding a gun, you prissy fuck.
The boss is down.
Assist him immediately. That is priority.
If someone can help, full hands down.
What for you?
Boss, are you able to respond? Boss?
Well, player, why did I beat you?
Need something to bounce back from that horse shit. Casey. Beat a greenhorn in Rockay. I needed someone hooked up and someone to help keep my candy shop up and running. And good old Casey ain't nothing if she ain't well fucking connected. Hiya, Casey. Lordy Lord. You're looking dynamite.
Why, thanks. The fellow I told you about.
I reckon he's here, yeah? Well, I think it's time that we giddy up.
Alrighty, okay. So Nassara will handle the talent recruitment, as well as distribution of candy.
And you count the cash?
And make sure you don't blow it all on entertainment.
Uh-huh. I want this network up and running. We gotta get in with the king.
I'm on it. We're now supplying the X for His Majesty's birthday bash.
Well done, Casey. And are you able to set the meat?
I'll get the king to shake your hand, and then we'll have his blessing to deal freely in Rockay.
Well, do it. And let's get that candy to the king.
Yes.
The blues come in yet? You know, the little ones with my hat on them.
Yes. Those pills ship in tonight. We'll be good to go.
Well, it's a start. Oh, you know, Casey might know something about my blues. All right, Miss Casey, you're on.
You're being attacked? By whom? Rappers?
Don't you lose my candy, God damn it.
It's Yellen, coming to plunder our loot. Do not let it happen.
Down! Shit, I'm dead!
Got one down. Stop crying. Get up. Take him down. Damn it! Changing clip. Hold position. Got some ammo.
What is the situation?
Take these punk bitches out. You're all dying today! Oh, you fuckers! Die! Die! Eat this lead, fuckers! Every single one of you are going down! Ah! Got to reload! Eat lead, motherfuckers! Oh, you fuckers! Die! Die! More rounds!
Hold for a moment. Assistance is on the way.
Reload! Get you! One down. Got you. What's the fucking deal? Gotta change clip. Yeah, I got you.
Demonstrated a powerful resolve. You've managed to accomplish it, even with the challenges.
What? Baker snatched his blues back?
Ah, those blues are the best.
Shut it, bitch. Yellow man, that's my bad.
Yo, I ain't with that.
Oh, with that, the King's party's gonna be off the hook.
Shut it, bitch.
From now on, when Baker makes $1, however or wherever, I'm gonna take it from him. Word to your mother.
And our yellows?
Duh, you gotta push them pills harder, dog. Box the Candyman out.
Good luck with that.
Bitch, shut the hell up.
Tell me the deal, Casey, as I love to hear your tales. We got all the candy. Yeah, blues came in too?
Some needed to be washed off, but yes, sir.
Sweet.
Your candy will be the hit of the King's Bash.
Good players we had there.
The Sora knows talent.
I'm gonna do it again. I wanna do it again. Come on, I'm gonna do it again. Hear me out. Terrified. Something ain't right. Here we go. If you make sure you're connected, the writing's on the wall. But if your mind's neglected, stumble you might fall, stumble you might fall. Stumble you might fall. If you make sure you're connected, the writing's on the wall. But if your mind's neglected, stumble you might fall. Stumble you might fall. Stumble you might fall.
So the king and his inner circle all got pancaked?
Right.
Hell yeah. King, mayor, all dead and gone.
So we need
We need to move. This town is wide open.
We rule Rockay's pill trade.
No. We rule everything.
A war.
I'm all for war. We go for the turf. Every bit of it.
And who are our rivals here?
Well, Mongol warlord Khan, Yellow, your favorite. Oh, and the dragon, a hard man, right hand of the former king.
Dragon? Was he not at the party?
Took off just when I got there.
Whoever did this has the same plan.
Yeah.
It's going to be a turf war for the crown. May I suggest using
Okay.
my guys, the Graves,
All right.
outcasts and madmen, displaced, adrift, and looking for plunder.
Yeah, no, perfect. I'll call my old pal Captain Touchdown. War vet. Real smarts.
Could be good. To war.
To war.
Everything.
You will see I have all variety of contacts.
I don't see that many.
They come and go this type.
So, what do we got here? Thieves. Informers. Bruisers.
Hitmen, and, more importantly, some unique talents.
Hell yeah, that's what we fucking need.
Use them carefully, boss. They are a rare breed.
I gotta make some fresh fucking plans, man. buddy. Guess who?
Aw, Baker! You old devil, you. You in town?
Yeah, setting up shop.
Good, good. You didn't die at a party last night, then. Uh-huh.
Yeah, about that.
What?
You know, I may have something for you.
Oh, holy balls, boy. You're gonna go for the throne, ain't you?
Well, why the fuck not, right? I need a captain.
Huh?
Major League.
Mm-mm. 2 conditions. 1, I run the field. The playbook is mine.
All right, you the coach. What's the second?
Don't steal my tail, Hanson.
That was years and many mistakes ago.
Cool, brother. Water under the bridge.
Well, I'll come pick you up.
Yeah, cool. I'm down at the docks.
See you soon, pal.
Bring crew or hire for this one?
Ain't no biggie. What can stop me?
Death. That you don't come back from.
You got a point. Let me see.
Baker, there is a rather sizable skirmish occurring at the docks.
What, my guess? Touchdown's doing most of the shooting.
Indeed. I advise we withdraw and reassess.
Well, fuck that. I ain't leaving a buddy in a bind to reassess. Jesus.
You need to pick up the pace. The authorities are inbound.
Yeah. Put them on their asses.
Gotta reload, man! You boys are gonna be a bitch and a half to mop up.
Bastard. Hey, touchdown. How you been, bud? How's the game?
Ah, Baker! Ha ha ha! Good to see you, bud! Damn, been a long time. Not too shabby. Me and the fellas here had a little disagreement is all.
You were gonna cut a deal with these guys?
Why not? Chico's gearing up for the war effort. But the shrimp dicks tried fucking me over to cut costs, I guess. Cheap fucks.
Fucking A. This is some serious firepower.
Ah, fucking A is right. Yeah, still less than what you need for what's coming up next. Yeah, so, you got your crew squared away? Huh. I know my ass ain't the first one you called.
So far, Casey and her friend, some fancy fucker named Nasara.
Ah, Casey. All right.
Enough of that. We got company.
Fuck yeah, just like the old days.
Yep. Good old days. Feels like we're back in the trenches, huh?
Shit, buddy, I never fucking left. Man, I miss the old games. Right?
Well, new adventures await, buddy.
Adventures, Who are the heavy hitters this season?
Khan, the dragon, and that little fuck Mellow Yellow.
Khan and the Riders? Oh, fuck yeah, that's a tough goddamn team.
You can bury those fuckers, every single one.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
With Nasara's new guys, the Graves.
Graves. They're the pirates from the island, right?
Born and raised, hard as nails.
Fuck yeah. Goddamn better be. Gonna need some firepower. I still got the network, though.
I figured as much, so I'll get the cash.
And speaking of, we're gonna need a fucking chunk of change to get this party on the move, huh?
Sure thing, Coach. I'm on that. Tell me the deal, Casey, as I love to hear your tales.
This new ambition will require a few more details.
Details?
You need to make more decisions on loot, crew, and pay more.
Pay. I get that one. Okay, give me the details then.
Crew is costing us per day, and every day is not a good day. Sometimes we won't make bank. We can't heist every day.
All right, we gotta plan ahead a little bit.
We need to sell the loot we take by trade or pawn shops.
And pawn shops? Well, they screw us, yeah?
In Rockay, they take 50%.
Slime from the gutter.
And now trades are more dangerous with the war going on.
And the fucking cops on my ass.
Yes, the detectives are going to be painful.
We still got some blues?
I don't know. It was a pretty crazy party after that last win.
I'll check it out. Thanks, honey bun. You don't have to ring up touchdowns, nutty ass. Touchdown!
Baker, Nasara's put his men on the field.
Hard as nails?
Rock fucking solid, man. I'm ready to take some turf.
Perfect. You have about 5 minutes to play.
Okay.
Then the cops will be on you.
Got it. 5 minutes, man. Let's kick it off. Game time.
Leave a big mark.
Better start practicing your in-zone dance, cause we're gonna be there often.
I want them shaking in their boots.
See you in the end zone, mofo. Okay, rookies. We only got a few minutes before the police pop up. Go ahead, start blasting these punks. See if we can't get their captain to show his fruity face. You bury his ass in the dirt. You'll get a big high five from me. Land war, just like the gridiron.